Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to another video. My name's Dion and today I'm just going to be talking about my trading results from last week, which was actually a pretty good week. So let's head to the charts. So as you can see, 3 trades taken. The first trade was a 3.4% trade. The next trade took an L, wiped out a bit of the profits there, but we came in strong with a 9.3% trade to end the week. So to start off with, the 3.4% trade, this is how it went down. So there's a few things which I can say about this. One, I did not choose my target correctly, hence why I lost out on quite a lot of profit here. As you can see, price never actually came down to hit profit. If you watch the stream, because every single trade I take, I do live stream it, so you can see the entire process unfold live. You can see the live executions, you can see my live thought process, all that. After I placed this trade, I knew I had made a mistake, and I did try to move my profit target to the London low, which is indicated by this, the lower dotted line. I wanted to aim there because I do like to aim for the low-hanging fruit. That is what I've seen. That's what's improved my trading quite a bit. So I did try to change it, didn't know how. So I decided, hey, I'm just going to go to sleep. Whatever happens, happens. And unfortunately, when I woke up, we were in... Look, we lost at least... We made less than half of what we could have made of because of my silly mistake with choosing the correct target. So I decided just to end the position there, took my 3.4%, and I was happy. Next trade. This was a interesting trade because this actually did play out in my favor in the end. But I was stopped out. I followed... Look, the thing is, it's a good trade because I followed my plan exactly the way that I wanted to. Everything in that plan was... I planned the trade and I traded the plan. Now, unfortunately, it's not always going to... The market will not always give you what you want. So, unfortunately, I was stopped out and then price reversed, hit its profit target of 20R. So, whatever I had risked would have been 20 times that. This trade in particular, I had risked 2%. As you can see, I got the minus 2%. So, that was a 40% trade I had missed out on. Am I salty about it? No. If I'm going to be completely honest, I don't really care because I know how often my setup plays out. I'm not here to catch 20R trades. I'm not here to catch 40R trades. If you actually follow me, you know that I genuinely like to catch 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Around there. And if you can do that 2-3 times a week, you're pretty much getting close to 10% a week. So I missed this trade. It was a good one, but these trades will come around again. They're always bound to come around. And the thing with this trade is I wasn't trying to stretch any rules to get a huge trade. I stuck to my rules as I do. And it just so happened to be that this trade that was offered to me on that day was a 20R trade. And unfortunately, I lost it. But there will be these trades presenting themselves again. And I can guarantee you I won't be missing those because I'm putting the time to be in the market to catch these trades. I'm there every single day. So if it's there and if it fits my plan, I'm going to take it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, great. That's why we use good risk management because we will always lose trades. And to finish the week strong, we got a 9.3 risk to reward ratio. Now, you might be saying, Dion, this does not look like 1 to 9 risk to reward. You're correct. It's maybe 1 to 4 point something, nearly 1 to 5, but I risked 2%. This is something I've been doing now. I'm risking 2% per trade because I'm not trading for a prop firm. I'm not trying to stick to very rigid rules. I'm trading my own personal live account. I am able to risk 2% because I can lose 2% trades a few times in a row and it's going to be fine. If I'm down 10%, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to lose my whole account. But the reason why I'm risking a little bit more is because the reason why I stuck to risking 1% per trade is because then it's like, oh, for me to blow my account, I have to lose 100 trades in a row. Like, it just sounds nice, like 100 trades in a row with no win. That's why I risk 1%. But then if you bump that up to 2%, heck, even 3%, I genuinely don't believe I'm ever going to lose 30 trades in a row, touch wood. I don't think I'm ever going to lose 50 trades in a row. Same thing. So I'm more than happy to risk that 2%, that 3%. Not 3%. I'm staying with 2% for now because I know that even if I do lose a few trades, I'm going to make it back. And I've seen that play out a few times now. I've been trading for nearly 3 years now. Even when I wasn't trading as good, I saw the same thing unfold. Like, I take a few losses. Sometimes, like, I remember clearly, this is the first time I figured this out. I was trading gold. I had lost 6 gold trades in a row. I won one and made it back plus 2-3%. So that's what opened my eyes. Like, hey, look, that's where risk management is so important. As long as my risk stays constant and I am winning trades bigger than I'm losing, that's the secret to success right there. And the consistency. So, last week's 3 trades totaled to about 10.7%, I would like to say. So, 10.7% profit last week, which is phenomenal, given the fact that I have tried to do like a funding challenge maybe twice now, 2 or 3 times, and I struggled to make 10% in, what, I think they give you a month. And here I am, I cracked 10% this week. I took a minus 2% last week, and I cracked another 10% the week before. The other week, I can't remember. I think it was 3.4% that week. But pretty much what I'm trying to do, or not what I'm trying, what I will be doing is going back through these previous trades, and I will find the exact percentage of profits. And I'm going to list it all, and I'm going to keep a running track record so I know how profitable I am week on week, month on month, year on year. So that's the end of that. It was a very good week trading last week because I stuck to my rules and I considered my feedback from last week, which is consider the correlation strength between Bitcoin and the dollar index. I followed my plan and it worked out well. Moving forward next week, I don't want to change anything. I feel like the way I traded last week was perfect. If not, it was one of the best trading weeks I've ever had. Not because of the monetary gain. Is that the word for it? Not because of the money I made, but just because of how consistently I stuck to my rules. I chose the days I wanted to trade. I chose the exact setups I wanted to trade. I took all 3 of the setups I wanted to trade, and one didn't work. And that makes my trading week even better because that's just showing me that you're not going to win every trade. And the fact that I felt just okay with it, took the L, moved forward, whatever. Like, I really like that part. I really like the psychology behind that. And that's why I feel like it was one of the best trading weeks I've ever had. So, with that being said, I am really keen to move on to the next trading week, which starts tomorrow. It looks like I only have 2 trading days because I have only seen 2 trading days with high impact news. But I will be going back through the news, the fundamental thing, just to see if there's any medium impact news. I want to trade only medium to high impact news days. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys in some live streams or whatever next week. So, until then, enjoy.